Students, hope you are all well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. The previous video I already explained the classifications of shares capital in details. Now this video onwards I will go slowly to the practical sides. First of all, one or two illustration from your textbook. I will explain from your book only. After that, slowly you will go to the exercise sides. Exercise one by one, hard type of questions I will select and I will try to solve it. Illustrations, few I will make you understand, remaining you will go through at your home. At any place, if you do not understand it at any time, you will tell me, I will clear your doubt. Before starting the illustration 1 of page number 11, according to your textbook, page number 11 of illustration 1, before that I want to explain in which way you will pass the journal entries. Once again I am telling you, this is very easy. One or two questions if you are understanding, remaining almost all the questions, 90%, it will be same from the previous questions. I already told you that what is the system, how company will collect the money. Because company will issue the share to the public, how many numbers of shares company is going to issue, it will be mentioned in this prospectus or in the questions. And face value means price of each shares also will be mentioned. And also the company will not collect this all money at a time. Installment systems company will collect. The how many numbers of installment will be there? It may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, whatever it is. This one by one installment, I am telling it here that installment, it has the name, its own name. Suppose if there are the 4 installments are there, this first installment is called on applications. Applications means the first installment name. Allotment means second installment. On first call means third installment. On final call means fourth installment. So first installment, second installment, third installment and fourth installment. This question I am reading, you will get the idea what type of questions you are getting. This is Shailaja Company Limited issued the 2,40,000 equity shares. This number of shares are how many? 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is not the money, number of shares. 2,40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, on which the amount called up was as under. I told that according to the Companies Act, that company will not collect the money all at a time. All at a time means how much is the face value of the share? It is 10 rupees. 10 rupees company will collect into 4 installment. First 3 rupees, then 3 rupees, then 2 rupees, then 2 rupees. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. That means this 10 rupees company is collecting in installment system. The amounts called and allotment and calls are received in full on time. The applications are received for all shares pass the journal entries in the books of the company. Also prepared the equity shares capital account, equity share application account, that to ledger. Once if you are able to complete the journal ledger, it will not be problem for you. This is a very simple or primary questions or base of this chapter. Let you know that if you are able to pass the journal for application, then for allotment, first call and final call journal will be same. I will give some idea to you what type of journal generally are coming. Share capital transactions for applications, 2 journal will come. Each step, this is first steps for our first installment, 2 journal will come for application, 2 journal will come for the allotment, 2 journal will come for the first call and 2 journal will come for the final call. If you are able to understand these 2 journal, the remaining all are same only. For applications, The two journal will come. The first journal is called the receiving journal. Second journal is called the transferring journal. What is receiving journal? What is transferring journal? I will explain it to you. Second, on allotment onwards, same. Calling, receiving, calling, receiving, calling, receiving. Matlab, for allotment onwards, we will pass the calling entry, then we will pass the receiving entry. First call, we will pass the calling entry, then receiving entry. Final call, we will pass the calling entry, then receiving entry. If you know the calling entry for the allotment, the same calling entry will come for the first call and final call, only name will change. Calling and receiving what? I told you that from allotment onwards, with this application, when this rules is there that whenever you are applying, you matlab shareholder, whenever the shareholder is applying or giving the application to buy the share, that time the rules is there, with these applications you have to pay the applications money also. According to your illustration 1, here it is rupees 3, here also it is rupees 3, here it is rupees 2, and here it is rupees 2. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. That means when you will giving the application, that time you have to give the application money. For that, with this application, first you are getting the money, then this money you are transferring to the share capital. So once you are receiving the money, after that no need to call. Call means you are telling to the public to pay the money. From allotment onwards, first you will inform them that you pay the money. Calling means, previous video I told, calling means you are giving the notice or you are telling that you pay the money. For that one entry you have to pass, and whenever they will pay the money, whenever you are receiving, that time another entry will pass. So everywhere you will inform that you pay the money for that one entry and you receive the money one entry. Again you inform that you pay the money and you receive the money. So calling, receiving, calling, receiving, calling, receiving are same. Allotment onwards, you will call, then they will pay. First call you will inform, then they will pay. Final call you will inform, then they will pay. But for application, it is not that one, that you will inform that then they will pay. It is not that one. First they will pay, after that you transfer. Transfer entry and calling entry are same, but here we cannot say calling, because once you are receiving, after that calling will not applicable. So each step 2 entry will pass. Keep it in mind. One is for that calling and receiving, calling and receiving, and calling and receiving entry. So according to your textbook of page number 11 of illustration 1, from the book only I want to explain, you pay attention very carefully. How many numbers of shares, face value of the shares, what is the price for the applications, allotment, first call and final call, like that you will try to understand. The point which you have to keep in mind, 2,40,000 shares, each share face value is 10, that you have to collect 3, 3, 2, 2. 3 for application, 3 for allotment, 2 for first call and 2 for final call. What is given it is that amount calls on allotment and calls were received in full on time. The applications were received for all shares. Application money you have received from all shares. Pass the necessary journalities. So first entry which will come? First entry will come for application. Application का first entry what is called? Receiving entry. Application का first entry receiving means how much money you are going to receive? 2,40,000 shares multiply by 3. 2,40,000 shares multiply by 3. This many numbers of shares 3 रुपये करके आपको पहले देगा application का साथ. So you are going to receive. So obviously whenever you are going to receive, your cash account or bank account is debit. So this is bank account debit. What for you are getting? To equity share applications. Equity share application के लिए आपको पैसा मिल रहा है. Bank account debit to equity share application. How much money you will get? 2,40,000 into 3. Being money received on applications for 2,40,000 share at the rate of rupees 3. That means 7,20,000. This is called a receiving entry for applications. Now we will pass the transfer entry for application. Here I told you receiving and transferring, then calling, receiving, calling, receiving, calling, receiving. Now transfer entry. This money, share applications which you have received, that will transfer to the share capital. And share applications, it was credited, so I have to make it a debit automatically. The share application account will be closed. The share applications money account debit to equity shares capital account. That means if you merge these two, combine entry, if you pass, your journal will be bank account debit to share capital. See, bank account debit to share capital, because applications credit and application debit will be cancelled. So everywhere 2 entry will pass. Now from allotment onwards you see the same thing. Third and fourth, fifth and sixth, 7 and 8 are same. Now we will pass the entry for allotment. Allotment ka calling entry. Calling entry means share allotment, share equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. If you are able to remember one, remaining all are same. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. allotment के लिए 2,40,000 शेयर को 3 रुपये करके कॉल कर रहा है, मतलब यू आर गिविंग द नोटिस दैट यू पे द मनी. नाउ दे आर पेइंग बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर allotment account. तो इक्विटी शेयर allotment credit and equity share allotment debit, automatically it will be cancelled, and what is left, bank account debit to equity shares capital account. So this is called calling entry, this is called receiving entry. Now calling entry for the first call, what will be, only the name will change. Here equity share allotment is there, now equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. This is calling entry for allotment. If calling entry for allotment, if it is there, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, then calling entry for first call, only name will change. The equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Say equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. This is for calling entry. And receiving entry, bank account debit to equity share first call. Here allotment is there, so it will come bank account debit to equity share first call. Same amount. Now it is 2,40,000 into 2. Previously that is 2,40,000 into 3 was there. Now same like that. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account, that is 2,40,000 into 2. This is for calling entry. Calling for final call. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. This is bank account debit to equity share final call. So how many entry you are getting? 8. How many installment are there? 4. Each installment 2 entry. So 4 into 2, 8 entry. If there are the 5 installment, then again 2 more entry will come. 5 installment होगा तो उसका नाम क्या होगा? पहले दो नाम same. Applications, allotment, no change. After that, first call, second call and final call. So if it is a 5, then applications, allotment, first call, second call, final call. Amount will change. If it is a 3, then applications, allotment and call or final call, whatever you want to say. Only one call will come. So these two are same everywhere. This is the simple one questions I told from your textbook. Now they said in these questions that also prepare the equity shares capital account, equity shares applications account, equity shares allotment account and first call account also, final call also. That is called the ledger. So once if you are able to do the journal, the ledger posting, I will not explain that, you already able to do. Equity shares capital account, equity share application account, equity share allotment account, equity share first call account and equity share final call account. This is applications, allotment, first call, final call, and this is equity share capital account. One I am showing. Bank account debit to equity share applications. Equity shares bank account debit to equity share applications. Equity share application account credit by bank. See, entry is coming by bank. Next, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account and equity share capital account credit by equity share application account. Bank account it is not there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ledger, I think you will be able to understand. So this is the primary or basic idea about this chapter, how to do the journal entries. Like that, one more questions that is page number 14, 1414, the illustration 4 I want to explain. Now onwards, one by one question, what I will tell you, that you will find out that there is a slight or something difference from the previous illustration. Only this much, what is the difference, that you will come to know. Remaining almost all will be the same. Sometime it happened when I told you the types of equity share capital or types of share capital. That time I told you that paid up capital, unpaid up capital. Paid up, what is called the paid up capital and what is called the unpaid up capital. Paid up capital means when company told to pay, that time how many shareholders paid the money is called paid up capital. But when company told to pay, that time some of the shareholders may not pay the money in time. That is called unpaid up capital. So now let us see what is the difference between the previous illustration and this illustration. Here you will get something new, that company told to pay the allotment money, all shareholders paid the money. Company told to pay the first call money, all paid except few. Few could not pay the money in time, the first call and the final call. That time what company will take decision? Those who are not able to pay the money, that time you have to open one more account which is called calls in arrear. Calls in arrear means the company called but the money is not received or the money is not paid by the company, which is called calls in arrear. So let us see what is the difference between the previous illustration and these illustrations. Page number 14, illustration number 4. Pranab Limited of Bhavnagar issued 18 lakh equity share. When you read the question, the few of the data you will try to understand how many numbers of shares are there, what is the face value of the share, how many installments are there, what is the price of that each installment, whether it is tallied or not, like that. So company is the Pranab Limited of Bhavnagar, 18 lakh equity shares, number of shares is 18 lakh, each share cost is, that is face value is 10, company received the applications 20 lakh. See, ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन हो गया, 18 लाख इशू किया था लेकिन एप्लीकेशन आ गया था कितना, 20 लाख. तो 20 लाख एप्लीकेशन मतलब 2 लाख एप्लीकेशन ज़्यादा आ गया और 2 लाख एप्लीकेशन का साथ एप्लीकेशन मनी भी आ गया. बट कंपनी कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट 20 lakhs. 2 लाख एप्लीकेशन का मनी कंपनी हैज़ टू गिव बैक. Okay, share are allotted at meeting on the board of the director. The excess shares applications are rejected. I told you that excess how many? There are 2 lakh. That you have to cancel it. You have to give back the money for the not 10 rupees application money, and the application money thereon was refunded to the applicant. Amount on share was called up as under. On application 3, on allotment 2.5, on first call 2, on final call. Just to check it whether it is 10 rupees is there or not. 3 plus 2.5, 5.5 plus 2, 7.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 10. 10 rupees हो गया. पहला 3, 3, 2, 2 था. Now 3, 2.5, 2, 2.5. 10 रुपया करके हो गया. Now what happened? It happens that one shareholder who is Yogesh, who was allotted 1000 shareholder. Yes, Yogesh was allotted, he was given that 1600 share, could not pay the first and final call money. I told you. Now this is the difference between the previous illustration and these illustrations. One shareholder who has taken 1000 shares, or company has allotted him to 1600 shares, but when company told to pay the first call, that time he could not pay the first call as well as the final call money. Where the Neelam, who was allotted 1400 shares, could not pay the final call money. One more shareholder is the Neelam. He or she paid up to application allotment and first call, but Neelam could not pay the final call, and Yogesh could not pay the first call and final call. So Yogesh paid applications allotment, Yogesh could not pay first call and final call of 1600 share, and Neelam could not pay the last call. Correct? Now what happened? Not paid the final call. Okay. Except this, all amount due from all the shareholder are received on this time. बाकी सब जिसको पास जो पैसा लेना था सब ठीक टाइम पे पेमेंट दे दिया. Yogesh and Neelam paid in calls in area money at the later date. After that, they paid this money afterwards. In this situation, what we will do? First of all, stepwise we will go. Only the data you will keep in mind. 18 लाख शेयर इशू हुआ था, 10 रुपये का भाव था, 20 लाख शेयर एप्लीकेशन आया था, 2 लाख शेयर का पैसा रिफंड करना है. एप्लीकेशन अलॉटमेंट फर्स्ट कॉल फाइनल कॉल 3 रुपीज़ 2.5 2.5. जोगेश 1600 शेयर का लास्ट दोनों कॉल पेमेंट नहीं दिया. नीलम 1400 शेयर का लास्ट कॉल पेमेंट नहीं दिया. फर्स्ट एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन. द एंट्री यू रिमेंबर दैट अकाउंट बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन. हाउ मेनी? ना 20 लाख शेयर्स को पैसा आपको मिला था. 20 लाख इंटू 3, not 18 lakh. So you have received the money with this application, that is 20 lakh into 3, that is bank account debit to share capital. Equity share application. Now our money is how much is there? Our money is 18 lakh into 3, 54 lakh. बाकी जो एक्स्ट्रा 6 लाख 2 लाख शेयर इंटू 3, दैट यू हैव टू गिव इट बैक. किसको वापस करना है, किसको नहीं वापस करना है, कंपनी विल टेक डिसीजन, बट आई विल गिव इट बैक. इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट टू बैंक. इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट 60 लाख, यहाँ ऑल्सो 60 लाख इट विल बी देयर. You are giving back 6 lakh and our money is 18 lakh into 3. Being transfer of the share application money to respect to the 18 lakh equity share allotted to the equity share capital account and refund to the share application money in respect of 2 lakh equity shares for reject the applications. So 18 लाख शेयर हमारा शेयर कैपिटल में ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया, बाकी 2 लाख को रिफंड किया. जो ट्रांसफ़र किया उसको एंट्री होता है इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. जो रिफंड किया वो जो इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, कंबाइन एंट्री पास कर दिया. नाउ वी विल पास द एंट्री फॉर कॉलिंग फॉर अलॉटमेंट. कॉलिंग फॉर अलॉटमेंट व्हाट इज जनरल? इक्विटी शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये एंट्री दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. Calling for allotment, calling for first call, calling for final call, calling for allotment, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, calling for first call, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account, like that. This is calling for allotment. I will call now 18 लाख शेयर को 2.5 रुपीज़. अलॉटमेंट का भाव कितना है? 2.5 रुपीज़. अलॉटमेंट का पैसा सबने दे दिया. सो 18 लाख शेयर को 2 रुपया 50 पैसा करके 45 lakhs. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. Everyone paid the money. So bank account debit to equity share allotment. Everyone paid the money. Bank account debit to equity share allotment. Now we will call for the first call. When we will call to all. Because whenever you are calling, you did not know who will pay or who will not pay. You don't think that you don't take decision that Mr. X and Y will not pay, who will not call. Not like that. You call to all. So calling for first call, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. This is calling for first call. First call का प्राइस हाउ मच? 2 रुपया करके. तो 2 रुपया करके 36 लाख, 18 लाख into 2 being the amount due on first call. So this is the calling entry being equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Like that. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. This is calling for allotment. This is receiving for allotment. दिस इज कॉलिंग फॉर फर्स्ट कॉल. इक्विटी शेयर ओनली नेम चेंज, अलॉटमेंट का जगह फर्स्ट कॉल हो गया और प्राइस 2 रुपया 50 पैसा का जगह 2 रुपये हो गया. इक्विटी शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. दैट इज कॉलिंग फॉर फर्स्ट कॉल. बट व्हेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू पास द रिसीविंग एंट्री, दैट टाइम विल कीप इट माइंड दैट वन शेयर होल्डर ही डिड नॉट पे 1600 शेयर का फर्स्ट कॉल मनी. सो out of this 36 lakh which you called, you did not receive the 36 lakh. How much money you have not received? 1600 शेयर का 2 रुपया करके, मतलब 3200 रुपया you have not received. Which you have not received, that you transfer to the one separate entry is called calls in arrear. Keep it in mind, calls in arrear. So bank account debit, how much money? ना यू कॉल 18 लाख शेयर. 18 लाख शेयर का अंदर 1600 शेयर माइनस हुआ. 18 लाख से 1600 माइनस करेगा 17,98,400 शेयर का 2 रुपया करके मिला आपको. और जो नहीं मिला 1600 शेयर का 2 रुपया करके जोगेश जो कुड नॉट पे द फर्स्ट कॉल मनी. Calls in area always debit account. So bank account debit this much, calls in area account debit this much to share first call. Share first call you debited here 36 lakh. You debited here 36 lakh, automatically it is credited with 36 lakhs. So it will be cancelled. Same like the final call. Again you will call, pass the entry for, you will call to all. जोगेश फर्स्ट कॉल पेमेंट नहीं दिया इसलिए उसको फाइनल कॉल नहीं करूँ. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू विल कॉल टू ऑल. इक्विटी शेयर फाइनल कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. 18 लाख का 2 रुपया 50 पैसा करके लास्ट कॉल इंस्टॉलमेंट इज 2 रुपया 50 पैसा. तो 2 रुपया 50 पैसा करके करेगा तो 45 lakhs. दैट इज मीन्स दिस इज एंट्री फॉर द कॉलिंग इक्विटी शेयर फाइनल कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. 18 लाख इंटू 2.5. हेयर हाउ मेनी डिड नॉट पे? 1600 पर जोगेश, वो तो फाइनल कॉल भी पेमेंट नहीं दिया, और नीलम जो 1400 शेयर का भी फाइनल कॉल पेमेंट नहीं दिया. तो यहाँ एक आदमी था, यहाँ 2 आदमी आ गया. तो 1600 प्लस 1400 इक्वल टू 3000 शेयर को 2 रुपया 50 पैसा करके आपको नहीं मिला. तो 3000 से 18 लाख से 3000 शेयर माइनस कर दो, तो 17,97,000 शेयर का 2 रुपया 50 पैसा करके आपको मिला. दैट इज 44,92,500. दैट इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. एंड कॉल सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट, दैट इज 3000 इंटू 2.5. 3000, 1600 for Jogesh and 1400 for Neelam. So you are getting 7500 call scenario. That means money which you have not received is called call scenario. The money which you have not received is called call scenario. To equity share final call account. Now at last they are telling one more sentence is here. Jogesh and Neelam paid call scenario amount at a later date. But that time when company told to pay, that time they did not pay. But afterwards they paid the money. And when they paid the money, that time call scenario which you account you open when they did not pay the money, and now they paid the money, so call scenario account will be closed. And when they did not pay, that time you debited to call scenario. When they paid, now you will credit to call scenario. So bank account debit to call scenario. How much amount will come? जितना बाकी था 3200 एक बार बाकी था, और एक बार 7500. 3 7 10,700. 10,700, दिट इज 3200 प्लस 7500. So bank account, मतलब they paid the money afterwards and company accepted it. So when company called to pay or told to pay, that time they could not pay. For that company kept this money in call scenario. After that when company received the money, the call scenario was cancelled and bank account debit to call scenario. That entry was passed. So last entry bank account debit to call scenario, that is 10,700. This 7,500 plus 3,200. This is like that. Now next video or notes I will give you like that illustration as well as the exercise, where you will find out that something 1 or 2 sentence or the line is difference with the another video or the previous video. Only this much you have to know. So I think students you are understanding, and you watch this video twice. Before that you read the question twice. The page number 14 of illustration 4. Page number 14 of illustration 4. Slowly, one by one. Next, after teaching you few questions from illustration, then I will go to the exercise. Even though if you do not understand in any place, you can tell me. Hope you are understanding. Okay, bye. All the best.